Alright guys, so let me show you how to extract it and make use of it for mobile phone users. So this is the font is located in this particular folder. So I've already unzip it. Like for this one now, to unzip this particular one, so all I just need to do is click on it, then on compress. So you see the file format is not supported because it has password. So I'll just come to C Archiver. So download this application from the Play Store. So we just locate wherever you downloaded it to. So mine is in Alarm. When I click on it, it extracts here. Now it's telling me, okay, I'll just come and rename it. It's just because I'm having this other one with the same name. So I'll just come here, click on it, extract. So if I want to extract it in this particular place, I can extract it. I just clicked on extract here. I can just go wherever I want to extract it. Okay, let me just come to this yeah, this is okay. I'll just click on this button back, extract. So it's now asking me for password. I'll put up this password because so the particular password will be shown. Let me just, so I have the password inputted. I'll just click on this OK mark and you can see they are all extracting. So this font pack contains more than 2,000 fonts. Alright, so it's a gift for having about 500 subscribers. Wow, very, very grateful. Alright, so this is the fonts. This is it. So this is the font pack. This is the font pack for 101, and this the other one. Alright, so I guess that will be all for this particular tutorial. Alright, so now how do you make use of it for your mobile design? So you just come to whatever software you're making use of. I'll just choose Pixellab. So I'll be deleting it because I don't want it. So I'll just come to my text, then I'll just come to fonts, then come to all fonts, then I'll just click on this particular one that shows folder. Then I'll go to where I have it. I think it's PH record. Is it PH? I think it's PH. So now go up, yeah, because it's actually showing me a particular location. Yeah, I'll go to PH. I clicked on this button, then it brought me to this place. So I'll go to where I have it. PH, yeah, PH browser. So this is it. So just, and I'll click on add directory. So everything there should be here now. But most times I discovered this particular method don't work for some people. This method don't work for some people because even though most of the fonts I'm having here are the ones I have in my, so you just click on this other one, then click on this place, then I'll go to where I have it installed, and I'll just locate PH browser, come to PH stock and click on this and this, then you just come to add selected. Alright, you add selected, so you should be able to look for, then add selected. Alright, so it is added. Now then you should be able to locate it from this particular place. Just search whatever the name of the font is. Originally I already had the font installed, so I can't just be looking for the particular font. I can't be looking for the particular font because I already have it installed here. So that more or less that's all for this particular tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.